whatever you believe in. All right, that's exactly how life starts to happen to us. All right, I'm sitting on this floor, checkered floor at the moment. It kind of resembles a chessboard. And maybe you are one of those who believes that life is very similar to a game of chess. So if life is similar to a game of chess, we're referring to the white and the black blocks. So what that also means that, once we've stepped into this life's gonna be a mix of opposites. All right, white and black. All right, sometimes white will be an opportunity and sometimes black will be an obstacle. And sometimes black will be an opportunity and white will be an obstacle in our lives. All right, you cannot quantify it. Once we step on the chessboard, life has started. That means life has happened to us. We cannot back out. It's not possible. So we must play the game. And if we keep it simple, all right, this life is all about two options. All right, all you've got to do is just make a choice. Either you step here or you step here. What matters is that you make a choice. All right, and whatever choice you make, all right, it's gonna have some kind of consequences for this moment right now, and it's gonna have some consequences for the future. All right, but it's difficult for our mind to figure out which is the right choice that we have made. Is that the right choice? But again, we do not have a choice. We must play the game. We must step out, all right, because life has happened, and this life is ruled by the law of action. We must take action. But what happens as we take those actions fearlessly? All right, two things happen. Either we fall or it's a happy time. All right, we learn either ways. And as we learn, that sequence in our mind, all right, helps us evolve, get stronger from deep within. But to play any game, we've got to remember the rules. We've got to remember that our inner self is backing us up every single day. And for that, we keep working on our body, we keep working on our mind. All right, so if life is a game of chess and if we are sitting on this checkered board right now, so this is a beautiful opportunity. The game is on. All right, the game can be you versus the entire world, or the game can be you versus you. That is a choice you want to make. All right, if you can win yourself deep within every single day, there is no doubt about it that any challenge on the outside is just a matter of time, and you will transcend that challenge as well. All right, leaving you all with this thought, we will keep working on ourselves every single day, every moment of consciousness, awareness, and wherever we are, we will just blend in that moment and capitalize on this opportunity.